Good morning, my grade 4 students. How are you? Today, our lesson is about how is food useful. It's page 38 in your book. So please open your book to page 38 and follow with me. At the end of this lesson, you are going to identify the different types of food and you are going to determine the functions of each type of food. Ready? Let's start. I'm going to start with an attention grabber. In the attention grabber, I want from you to send me a picture of your favorite food. So, what's your favorite food? Search on the internet and send me a picture of your favorite food. Can't wait to see your favorite foods. Now, and after you sent me a picture of your favorite food, it's time to start our lesson. So, I want from you now to observe the following figures. So, we have figure 1, products rich in food for growth. Figure 2, products rich in food for energy. And figure 3, products rich in food for protection. And now it's time to ask you the first question. How many types of food do you see in the images above? Think, then answer. You have three pictures and each picture indicates one type of food. So how many types of food do you see in the images above? Excellent. So we have three types of food. Now I want from you to state the three types of food that you see. Excellent. The first type of food is the food for growth, which is in figure 1. The second type of food is the food for energy. And the third type of food is the food for protection. So let's repeat them together. Food for growth, food for energy, and food for protection. And as you can see, the foods for growth are in figure 1, which are the fish, the meat, the eggs, the beans, and the milk and its dairy products. However, the food for energy are rice, pasta, bread, fats, and sweets. And the food for protection are the fruits and vegetables. So we have three types of foods. The food for growth, which are made up of fish, meat, eggs, beans, and dairy products. Food for energy that are made up of cereals, bread, fats, and sweets. And the food for protection that are made up of vegetables and fruits, as you can see in the pictures above. Now, what is the benefit of each type of food? So we learned that we have three types of food, which are the food for growth, food for energy, and food for protection. But what is the benefit of each type of food? Excellent. So we can know the benefit of each type of food from its name. So basically, the food for growth help in growth and in the protection of our body. And the food for energy, it supplies the body with energy. So it's like its name. And the food for protection, it ensures the proper functioning of our body. So let's repeat them together. The food for growth helps our body to grow. Food or energy gives our body the energy. And the food for protection, it ensures the proper functioning of our body. So I want from you now to study the following menu. So we have a menu which is 1 glass of milk, 1 cheese sandwich, 1 cucumber, and 1 apple. What do you think this menu is made up of? How many types of food this menu is made up of? Excellent. So we have the milk, food for growth. The cheese sandwich, it's food for growth, which is the cheese, and the sandwich, it's food for energy since it's type of bread. The cucumber and the apple, they are vegetables and fruit, which they are food for protection. So the breakfast menu contains all three types of food, which are food for growth, food for energy, and the food for protection. Now, I want from you to state which type of food is lacking in a chicken with rice dish. So we have chicken with rice dish. Which type of food is lacking in a chicken with rice dish? Think, then answer. Excellent! So a chicken with rice dish lacks the food for protection. Why? Because the chicken is food for growth and the rice is food for energy. So what's lacking? The food for protection. What can you conclude from all of this? What conclusion can be made? We can conclude that there is three types of food, which are food for growth, food for energy, and food for protection. And each type of food has its function. The food for growth helps in growth and protection. The food for energy supplies the body with energy, and the food for protection ensures proper functioning of our body. As a closure, I want from you to make a platter containing the three types of food. Don't forget to send me a video of yourself explaining it. Can't wait to see your platter. Bye. See you next time, and don't forget to stay safe at home.